Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Excited to be coming back out to the Charleston area on September 22nd for 6 hours of South Carolina CE workshops. Now the morning session is going to be next level real estate with Google AI. I'm going to walk you through all of the new amazing Google AI tools that they've rolled out. I'm also going to walk you through a tool that they've had for years that is very effective, which is called Google My Maps. So bring your laptop and I'm going to walk you through how to do this, and then you get the chance to apply these tools and techniques. We're going to take our in-house lunch break from 12 to 12:30. Then we're going to come back for the afternoon session from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. Now the official title of that class is Ethical Technology Tools for Real Estate Practice. The short name is Generate More Leads for Free, but I'm going to show you how to set up ethically different websites, how to go out and use social media, scripts, and so much more to work with your potential buyers and sellers in an honest, ethical way, but yet at the same time, generate some amazing leads. The record for this class is 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. I tell you that because I want you to break that record. So bring your laptop, be ready to apply these tools and techniques, and take your business to new heights. And we'll see you all on September 22nd. Thanks.